You stick 2 fingers in? Nah, whole hand. Eating ass. No. Where's the command on my Valorant dashboard? Command ass. Nah, he's not platinum. Sushi, did you just see what I just saw? He's not plat 3, y'all. No. Nope.
Time to jump.
Jeremy said, we're ugly. Happy as we got thank you. Okay, I checked your Twitch channel. Leave the mask off. See, I told you. He's attractive. But I mean, if that's his kink, go ahead, leave it on. If you're not ugly enough, we'll spread the ugly. Oh man, can you imagine going to someone's chat and that's how they introduced you, or like welcome their people? What's up, you fucking troll-looking bitches? Welcome from out under the bridge.
Oh my god.
Good, I kind of love it.
Keep it cool. That's how you survive.
Someone follows. Hey, ugly, welcome. What?
Hello, bridge, because you're a bunch of bricks.
Oh my god.
Jeremy's like fans are called Just Uglies.
Just Uglies. Welcome to my Just Uglies account. Hey there, ugly.
Hey, girl.
Oh, it's Ario. I was like, did he just alt?
Alarm bot out.
I shot that girl in the face. I shot that girl in the face.
As you should.
Oh my god, I need a heal.
That's a
I need a healer.
I got you. One
We're running A, we're running A. Socialism, world's cure for ugly. It's true. Hey there, you ugly motherfucker. Thanks for the sub, ugly motherfucker.
Oh, 80 on Brimstone.
Placing sentry.
Fuck me.
Heaven.
One enemy remaining.
Nice. Good job, y'all. Should I be a good mod and greet new viewers in chat by calling them ugly? Can you imagine? Mm-mm. I'll put a command for ugly. We gotta put a command for ugly.
Everyone is so beautiful in chat. Ugly people have feelings too.
Hold on, let me add a command right now. What should we put for the command ugly chat, y'all? Hold on.
Y'all, Shrek found love.
What?
Shrek
Shrek found love. So I don't know what y'all saying.
Eyes up.
Hold on, let me.
This is music.
Shrek did find love.
Exactly.
That means you're not gonna be alone forever, Joey.
Oh my
No, I have you
fucking
here.
god. You know, Donkey did too.
Damn. Did Donkey really? Hold on, I'm gonna add a.
With the
Yeah,
dragon.
didn't he have kids?
With the
Yep.
high fem
And you're
dragon.
still single? And a donkey has somebody? Here, do me a favor. Stand in this, because I'm gonna help you out. Stand in it! Damn it! Hold on, I'm trying to add a command. Add a command. Ugly.
Oh no! 124 lamps on Faith. Wait, Yoru has B.
That was me distracting them. Sushi.
Perfect. I added it.
no.
Down B.
I added an ugly command, y'all.
The arena right there.
Let's see.
30 seconds left.
Where was she?
The arena?
Face
I
your
never
fear. You will not kill my allies.
Last player standing.
I'm coming! Isn't that sweet? That's kind of sweet. Oh. Oh, yeah. Hey, bro, they fucking shot me in the face, dog, for real.
It's really good trying that.
Yo, they just like popped me right there. You ugly motherfucker. Hi. Actually, Yoru can get it. But this Yoru.